How to add your shop in Google Maps in iPhone. Open your Google Maps app, and inside your app you want to tap the profile icon or your profile photo up in the top right corner. And then you want to tap Add Your Business. And inside here you want to type your business name. And your business category. And then you want to tap Next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a shop or office? You can choose, I just choose yes. And then you want to enter your business address. And then you want to see if your business is on this list. If not, you just tap this doesn't match. And then tap Next. And then you want to choose on a map where you are located. So you need to find your exact address. If it is easier, you can tap the satellite view. And when you have found your address, you just tap Next. And here you want to choose whether you provide deliveries or home and office visits. And here you want to add your phone number if you have one, and your website if you want. And then you want to select a way to get verified. I think the only way to do this on Google Maps is with a business video. So just make sure that business video is your option and then tap Next. And then you want to record your business details. So you need to read through these steps, and then you want to tap Next. And when you have made sure you can follow these steps, you want to tap Start Recording. And when you have recorded your business, you want to follow the rest of the steps. And this is basically how to add your shop in Google Maps in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.